Today we're jumping into a complete playbook for PMO leaders and project managers. It's a resource called the PMO and PM Leadership Vault, and it's built to tackle some of the biggest challenges you face in the field. So let's kick things off with a question that, if you're a project management leader, I bet is going to sound really familiar. Does running your PMO feel like a constant uphill battle? You're constantly being pulled in a million directions, right? The execs want to see consistent value. Your project managers are looking to you for support, and it's your job to get the entire business aligned. It's a massive balancing act, all while you're trying to build out a solid foundation. And let's be honest, when you're under that much pressure without a clear roadmap, it can feel like you're just guessing. You're basically forced to build the plane while it's already in mid-air. But what if you didn't have to guess? What if there was a complete playbook packed with decades of real-world in-the-trenches experience? Well, that is exactly what we're going to break down today. This is it, the PMO and PM Leadership Vault. Think of it as a membership program that's designed to be the one-stop shop for everything a leader needs. Courses, templates, strategies, it's all gathered in one place. So how does it all work? Well, the vault is set up in a couple of different tiers, so it can meet you right where you are. Let's take a peek inside the two main options, Starter and Pro. Okay, so right off the bat, you can see the difference in scale here. The Starter tier, which is available right now, is already packed with a ton of resources. But then you look at the Pro tier. Wow, it more than doubles the content and adds that really crucial interactive piece with live Q&A calls. And one thing that's huge, both tiers get lifetime updates. Now, the Starter tier gives you this incredibly strong foundation with 12 core on-demand courses. And we're not talking about dusty old-school stuff here. These are essential modern topics like PMO metrics, risk management, and even creating AI-powered PMO. Then the Pro tier just takes it to a whole other level, expanding to over 25 courses. This is where you get into advanced subjects like building Power BI dashboards and doing deep dives into critical processes like project recovery. It's a much bigger toolkit. So, who's the brain behind all of this? Because, a playbook is only as good as the person who wrote it. So let's meet the creator, Bill Dow. The guy brings over 3 decades of hands-on, real-world experience to the table. And we're not just talking theory. This is knowledge he gained building and running PMOs at massive companies like Microsoft and AT&T Wireless. And on top of all that practical experience, he's not just a doer, he's a teacher. He's literally written the book on this stuff 7 times over, showing he knows how to break down complex ideas. And his work has made a huge impact. We're talking more than 30,000 books sold. That means his expertise is trusted by professionals all over the globe. His standing in the industry is just undeniable. I mean, he was just named the World PMO Influencer of the Year for 2023. That's a true testament to the value he brings to the entire field. Okay, so we've got this incredible expert, this amazing resource, but what does it actually do for you? Let's circle back and see how the Vault directly solves those daily struggles we talked about at the start. It really boils down to a clear 4-step advantage. First, you get to skip all that painful guesswork by learning from experience that's already proven to work. Second, you save a ton of time using templates instead of starting from scratch. Third, you're always up to date because of those lifetime updates. And the end game, you gain the confidence that comes from knowing exactly what to do. All right, before we wrap things up, let's quickly cover something a lot of you are probably wondering about. PDU. Yes, PDUs are available for each course, and you'll find the breakdown right inside the course materials. Every course in the Vault will clearly show how many PDUs it earns, so you can track them and apply them toward maintaining your certification. No guesswork, no extra steps. It's all built in. Next question, who can actually get in on this? Are there any restrictions on who can become a member right now? For the time being, access is focused geographically. So right now, membership is available for professionals who are located in the United States and Canada. And finally, the key question for any kind of subscription, what's the flexibility like? Let's take a look at the cancellation policy. It's designed to be really straightforward and flexible. If you're on a monthly plan, you can cancel anytime, and you'll still have access right up until the end of your billing cycle. For annual plans, you have a 14-day window to request a full refund. If you cancel within that period, your payment is refunded and your access is removed. After 14 days, annual plans are non-refundable. So, we'll leave you with this final thought because beyond all the courses and templates, this is really about changing how you lead your PMO. So just imagine what if you could skip all the guesswork and start leading with proven strategies and total confidence right from day one.